Morning students, how are you? Very good, thank you. This is my part 43. In this part, I have to explain about linear inequalities in two variable. As you know, in class 10th, you have completed linear inequation, means linear inequalities in one variable with the graph also here, and in previous video, means video number 43 already I have solved some questions based on linear equations in one variable with the graph. Clear? And here I am going to solve questions based on linear equation in two variables. Understood? Now first of all, listen here. If any equation, means ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Clear? If any equation of linear, means linear equation in two variable ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is given. Clear? First of all, we have to change into intercept form. Intercept means x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Clear? Example, suppose here x axis x dash, y axis y dash origin, and here a and b, means from 0 to b here, this point is equal to what? A comma 0, and here 0 comma b. Clear? Means a units and here b units. If any linear equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is given, first of all we can change into x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 form, where a is the x intercept and b is the y intercept. Understood? Good. Now I am going to give one example here. Question number 1 here. X plus y is less than 5 and 4x plus y is more than equal to 4. X plus 5y is more than equal to 5 and x is less than 4 and y is less than 3. Understood? X plus y is less than equal to 5, 4x plus y is more than equal to 4, x plus 5y is more than equal to 5 and x is less than equal to 4 and y is less than equal to 3. Understood? Then we have to draw the diagram on the graph paper, means only simply paper. It is clear? Very good. Now first of all, this question we have to change into this form. Then equation number 1, x by 5 plus y by 5 is less than equal to 1. Understood? It means 5 comma 5. X is equal to 5 and y is equal to also 5. Clear? Second equation, 4x by both the side, it means 4x by 4 plus y by 4 is more than equal to 1. Now here 4 cancel here, it means x by 1 plus y by 4 is greater than equal to 1. It means what is coordinate? 1 comma 4. Here 1 comma 4. And equation number 3 is x by 5 plus 5y by 5 is more than equal to 5 by 5 is what? 1 will come here. After that x by 5 plus y by 1 means this is 5 comma 1. Once more here, when we will divide this 4 both the side means x plus y by 4 is more than equal to 1 and x plus 5y is divided by 5, x by 5 plus 5y by 5, that is y by 1 is more than equal to 1. Understood? And here already given x is more than 4 and y is less than or equal to 3. Understood? After that what we have to do? We have to draw the equation of line for all the equation. For all the equation. Clear? Now here x axis, negative x means x dash, y axis, negative y means y dash, here origin. And I am going to take the units. Suppose here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 4, 5 and 6. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, 6. It means it is not compulsory. You will take graph paper. If you want to make, then you can take simple paper, whatever you are using. But you have to divide units or column along both axes equally part, means equal parts should be there. Clear? Now for equation number 1, 5 comma 5, x is equal to 5, y is equal to 5. Now join the line. Understood? This is equation of x plus y is less than equal to 5. Now whatever I am going to tell, this is very very important points. If x plus y is less than 5, less than any number, then arrow of this line towards the origin. Towards the origin means if the value of x plus y is less than any other numbers, so that is 5 here, then symbol means arrow should be towards the origin. Origin means this side. Symbol. Clear? Symbol. Now first is completed. For second, x by 1, 1 comma 4, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4. Means here equation is what? Equation is 4x plus y is more than equal to 4. This is more than, then array is away the origin. If the value of ax plus by is more than c, then arrow is away the origin. And if the value of ax plus by is less than c, means very simple here. If here ax plus by is less than c, then arrow towards origin, means towards the origin, towards the origin. And if ax plus by is more than c, then what? Away the origin. Clear? Very, very simple. Now here, this also completed here. Here, question number means equation number 3, 5 comma 1. X is equal to 5, y is equal to 1. Now, like this one here. Clear? This equation is what? This equation is x plus 5y is more than 5 here. Now more than means away means here. Like this one here. And last two equation are x is less than 4. Less than 4 means x is equal to what? Here. And here x is less than 4 here. Less than means towards the origin, like this one. And y is also less than 3. Less than 3 means here 3. Y is less than 3 here. Y is also less than 3. Means what? Less than means towards means downside here. It is clear. You have to see the symbol. Symbol is very, very important. Why? Because after putting the symbol, we have to set the reason. Reason means set the common portion. Common reason. Therefore, what is common portion? Common portion means this is common portion. This portion is common. Now this is answer. Understood? Any problems? Okay, one more example I am going to give. You see other example here. Now this is question number 2. In this question number 2, find graph of solution set of the following system of inequation. Equation number 1 is x plus y is more than equal to 3. Second equation is x minus y is less than equal to 3. And third equation is x plus 5y is more than equal to 15. Already you know. First of all, we have to change into x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 form. This is known as intercept form. Intercept means where a is the x-intercept and b is the y-intercept. Understood? Then equation number 1 is x by 3 plus y by 3 is more than equal to 1. That is 3 comma 3. Second equation is x by 3 minus y by 3 is less than equal to 3. Then x by 3 plus y by minus 3. And here when we will divide, it means here 1 here. Clear? That is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 3. Very simple. X by 3, y by 3 and 3 by 3. And equation number 3 is x by 5 plus 5y by 15 here. 15 is more than equal to 1. That is x by 15 plus y by 3 is more than 1. Means what? 15 comma 3. Are you understanding? Very good. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 3. X is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 3. Here x is equal to 15 and y is equal to 3 means 15 comma 3. This is a coordinate of the points. Understood? Very good. Now I am going to draw the diagram. X here, x dash, y dash, here origin. Understood? See the coordinate. Least coordinate is minus 3, maximum is 15. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14, 15. Minus x axis here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 dash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 here. Above the origin means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clear? Now see the point x, y, 3, 3. Here x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 3 means arrow is more than is what? Here. Clear? This is equation of x plus y is more than 3. Now x is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 3. X is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 3. Now this equation here. Equation is x minus y is less than 3. Where is arrow? Less than means towards the origin means where? Like this side. Last equation is 15, 3. 15 means here, 3 means here. And like this. Clear? Like this here. And values was more than means above here. Above means what? Above means we can put here like this one here. Above means like this. This side here. Clear? Now this is a value. Very simple. You can see here more than means f axis above here like this here. Here also less than means towards means here, and last equation means x plus y 15 here above this side it means here. Now this is answer. Understood? Any problem? Okay. Now see the homework question. Homework question is a very, very most important, because in all the videos I had given few questions of homework question. This video also I am going to give you. Solve graphically means in all the question, first of all we have to change into intercept form. After that we have to draw the line. Line means equation applied here. After that we have to draw the graph. Minus x plus 2y is less than or equal to 8. 2x minus y is more than or equal to minus 4 and y is less or equal to 8. 3x minus 4y is less than 6 and 2x minus y is less than minus 1. Last equation is 2y minus 6 is less than or equal to x. 2y plus 3x is more than or equal to minus 6. 5y plus 15 is more than equal to 2x. 3y plus 5x is less than equal to 15. Then this is homework questions. Please, if you have any doubts, then in live class you can ask your problems, you can ask your doubt. Understood? Don't confuse. With the help of video, you can complete maximum chapters, maximum question. After completing, if you have doubts, you have any problems, please you should note down in a separate copy and you can ask any doubts in live classes. Understood? Thank you very much.